Here we start for the past 2 days. We hold the power open here. Blue cloud, everybody on the ES. We align here at 4,000. 4,000, we climb all the way to 4,093, which is almost $4,500 per contract. Then we break. The power opens again this yesterday plus this morning at around 4,000, let's say 57, 4,057. We crash an entire 155 points or so in the market, which is, by the way, $7,500 a contract on the ES. Now, look at the probability power calculator and replay. It's really interesting on how the calculator plays itself. So, and look here. So it goes up, probability power indicator goes up, calculation goes up, they change in real time. It was going up. There's a 66% chance at this point of a short, and then it rejects a little bit, you see, to the major zone right there. So it was after touching the open line right there, look, it starts cracking and rejecting the 66% probability of a short, right? And now look, and now the rest is history. They hold the major and they try a new high, see, boom, now look, we're at 74% chance of success for a short. I continue the replay. And now we tank. And now we tank. We take the power line, the power open line. We are about to retest the major, as you can see, and the major cracks. We continue going towards the edge of the short-term probability power box. When this is breached, and it will be breached, boom, we go to the institutional zone. Then our next point of reference is the long-term probability boxes here, right? The other edge, which is roughly here at 39.10, right? And here you have the institutional zone at 39.50. And finishing here, you see, that's exactly where they finished, right on the institutional zone. And hopefully this case study was helpful. You take care, everyone.